Hey everyone, Jason again. Welcome to part 2. Now, I'm going to be working on the Kia Telluride. In case you didn't know, now you know. I'm going to be mesh adding a plane. Yes, a plane. Because I will be adding a mirror modifier. Uh, Here we are. Yeah, 90. And then we're going to be scaling. Yes, scaling. And then we're also going to be... Shut up, phone! I don't give a... Sorry for my... I was gonna say a bad word after I don't give a... And then... Just want to be professional. But my phone was being hella annoying. I just don't want to offend my viewers. Here we are. Then scale down. Pressing... I think it's E and S. No, I think it's actually S and Z. And then we're also... Actually, let's extrude the whole thing. But first, let's... Um... Opacity should be at 0.03. You can make any number you want, but I prefer 0.03. And then go to edit mode. Before we extrude, before we do loop cuts, we are going to stay right here in that range. And then actually let's go to this mode and this mode. Yes. And the middle right here. And the left over here. And we can actually scale this in a little. I love the Kia Telluride. It's a fantastic ride. I've sat in one before. My aunt's version was a fully loaded one. And it has the amenities of a Range Rover. That's what I heard. Actually bring this back up. So this thing is not really boxy. This thing is a crossover SUV. So of course it ain't gonna be boxy like a Defender or Bronco or G-Wagon or anything like that. But it's an SUV regardless. Add the middle ones so that these can get in so easily. Move these in to the right. And then move these slightly to the left. And then, wow, looks great actually. I think here's what I gotta say about this. This Kia will not be my best work. I'm much better with older cars. New cars are complicated to work on. But I still appreciate new cars because, of course, we gotta have safety, we gotta have technology, machines, it all. Uh, all right. How long's it been? Yeah, we can do 6 more minutes. And I think we can press A. 12.24 does not sound like the right number. That thing's a little too wide at 12.24. But at being an SUV, I expect the flares to be not too wide, just above the wheels and further to the right and left of the wheels. And then this is not a bus, so we're gonna have to actually I think actually we need to narrow it over here. Over here, over here, over here. All right. And then right here. Wow, it looks amazing, doesn't it? I love this. I love this. Yes. But first, we gotta make sure that everything is smooth. So this. Make sure everything. All right. Right here. And then we can use the mirror modifier. What is this thing? Why is this thing here? What's the point of that? Okay. Look into that later. But also look into the rear as well. The rear looks just as good, actually. I think the rear is as good as the front. But still needs a little work on the rear. Let's hide the front. And then oh man. Let's hide the wireframe. Alright, and then the front. Get rid of number 2, go back to number 1. I like this. This is the way. Yep. But let's make sure there are no N-gons. Turn on wireframe. Get rid of the pictures for now. Not forever. Faces by sides. This is the most important of your project. This is where you want to be. No greater than 4 vertices per side. How long has it been? Alright, we can stop here. Take care, guys. Well, I'll see you in part 3. Take care.